There has been reports around the world of people randomly going missing from so-called replacement. This first happened when someone by the name LUCKIS was last seen in a forest holding a lighter, and someone unknown throwed LUCKIS onto the floor. We don't know why this replacement thing is causing this or whatsoever, but we found a paper where LUCKIS was last seen. What it said was terrifying. What it said was someone by the name of Anlee would be the next replacement. For now, we don't know who's doing this replacement thing, but otherwise the forest burnt down to a crisp for an unknown reason. A lot of people global think the wildfire happened because of the victim's lighter. And yes, a lighter can start a wildfire. The victim also recorded all of this on an old camera. We all got the recordings on tape. And the investigation hasn't found any trace of any related evidence next victim. Anyways, have a good day or night.